Though, man.
You feel me? We in this thing though. You
came out here fucking with your boy. You feel me?
The second time it should have been the 200 time though, but hey, we in there.
Hey,
minor setback for a major comeback. You know.
Hey, no time like the present, man. Come on with it.
You feel me? Yep. Hey, freedom and brotherhood.
Freedom and brotherhood. Yes, sir. Yeah, bitch. Let's go. Hey. That nigga knocking, boy. Birthday and
y'all know how to blow me. Gang shit, look. The homies out here and shit.
I ran into my cousin, man.
Yes, sir. What you mean with it?
I know about the blood sport. No, hey, my boy.
He said,
Hey, I'm not. I know, this my nigga. This my nigga MR too. This my brother right here. Man, you heard about yourself. Hey, we out here, man.
Outside, man. Look, it's a unit. You feel me? Hey, this for real, like your gang shit, though. You feel me?
Hey, my boy, what's up, man? You got something new, huh? I see you. Hey, now. Hey. Even on skates. Yeah. My boy. Yes, sir. My boy, hey, there you go, Miss Pretty. Oh shit, here they go. Here they go, here they go. Here they go. Okay. It's cracking tonight. That's good. I know, I'm right here though.
I came back, I'm gonna go back tomorrow.
Yeah. My boy had to take a fucking piss break. Oh, okay. Inside of a store. Oh, yeah, he on my bike.
Oh, okay.
But he inside the store taking a piss.
Yeah.
Why go inside of the store taking a piss? All this, yeah, come on, man.
Right there, 10 seconds.
Yeah, he talking about the outside, baby. What you gotta say for the camera, man? For the people at home. Come get some.
Nice ride, good people, get it done.
That's right. Got the beer, good people. Got the bike. We out here, man. We out here. Oh, there go my young bull, though. There go my young bull.
Outside, man.
What's up?
We outside,
We outside, baby. I thought you was gonna be at work or something.
I just got up at 4 o'clock.
That's right.
I've been there since 6 o'clock this morning.
What's up with you, man? Hey, this is the homie, man. Hey, he be rapping too. Check him out on Facebook. I mean, on YouTube. Henny Dun Dada.
Yeah, send it to me.
I got you. Go ahead. Hey now, we outside, baby. We outside. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Scooter gang. My shit smash this shit. Hey. Hey now, hey. Yes, sir. Hey. Hey. We outside. Hey, see, look. See, a nigga like him that I introduced you to, that nigga got this shit, bike group called 7 shit, nigga. They hunted for young niggas, nigga. I give them your shit, they gonna all be dumping your shit, nigga. That's the whole plan. How you doing? You out here with us? Why not? You don't need a bike. Hey, we got skateboards, skates, rollerblades, all that.
Girl bike.
His girl bike, we got all that shit. You out here with us? You out here with us?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, see that's what I'm saying. Huppies, all that. All that. This shit be so long, I don't even be feeling like recording half the time, man.
Hey, we outside, though.
Hey, we outside, baby. Yeah. It done changed the whole fit on them, though. Yeah. Hey. That's my guy right there. Look at him. He got like 6 by 9s, nigga. Hey. Got him. Come on, man. We out here, cuz. We out here. There's too many. Come on, let's catch the. Hold on, I'm gonna get them. These little crazy carts right here. Hey! Hey! Doing? Can I get a thumbs up for the camera? Thumbs up for the camera. Can I get a thumbs up for the cameras? You ladies are beautiful. Very beautiful. Safe travels. I hope you win. Bet 6-8.